Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can browse Instagram with your friends and family using a new feature called co-watching. So what co-watching does is allow you to start a video chat with your friends, and then anyone who's part of that video chat can share any pictures or video from Instagram. So it's pretty cool, and it allows people to kind of get together, especially right now when everybody has to be at home. And before we get started, this is a very new feature, so what I recommend doing is making sure that you have the latest version of Instagram either on your iPhone or Android phone in order to do this. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do to get started with co-watching is just start a new video chat. With my test account here on the left side, I'm just going to start the video chat. Join it. And then as you can see in here, at the bottom on the right, we have media. So if I select that, it's going to open up different posts that I've liked. At the bottom, I can see two other options. We have posts that I've saved and then posts that are currently suggested to me on Instagram. So we'll go back to the liked post. If I select this one up here, you'll see it starts playing the video to both of us, and then we can still see the video chat going on at the bottom here. I can mute it on either of these phones by selecting the little volume button in the bottom left of the video, and then either of us can remove that post from the video chat and we can send something else. So I can send this one right here and it'll show up on both of the accounts at the same time. So we can kind of browse Instagram, talk about what we're seeing, and kind of share the experience of browsing Instagram together. All right, so that's how you add Instagram posts and videos to your Instagram video chats with co-watching. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.